In 2026, the global photography scene is buzzing with energy as solid details begin to surface about Hasselblad's next big innovation, the much-anticipated X3D150C. This isn't your typical wave of unverified leaks or social media chatter. The information comes from reliable industry sources confirming that the camera is in active development. The excitement truly escalated when a mysterious model tagged HB722 was discovered in an FCC filing at the end of 2024, accompanied by a 180-day confidentiality clause. That small detail sparked massive speculation, with many expecting a grand unveiling around mid-2026. Now, professionals and enthusiasts across the world are eagerly waiting to see how Hasselblad, known for its impeccable Scandinavian craftsmanship and precise engineering, plans to elevate medium-format photography to new heights. Unlike incremental updates that focus on small tweaks, the X3D150C is rumored to represent a complete transformation of the medium-format experience. Hasselblad has always been about refinement, patience, and quality over speed, and this upcoming model seems to carry that legacy while breaking new ground. Early leaks suggest that the X3D150C won't just refine the X2D, it's poised to overcome long-standing medium-format challenges like slow performance, heavy file management, and limited versatility. The camera aims to merge incredible resolution and image depth with a faster, smoother workflow, giving photographers the best of both worlds: high-end performance and everyday practicality. At the center of all this excitement is the heart of any great camera, the sensor. Reports suggest that Hasselblad has once again joined forces with Sony to create a revolutionary new medium-format sensor boasting an astonishing 150 megapixels, with some whispers pointing to a possible 250 megapixel prototype. Either option would place the X3D150C at the top of the digital imaging world, leaving the X2D's 100MP sensor behind. But this leap isn't just about cramming in more pixels. It's about unlocking new creative possibilities. With that kind of resolution, photographers can crop extensively, recompose freely, and still retain stunning detail and dynamic range. Prints can reach enormous scales while preserving every nuance, every shadow, and every highlight. Of course, such a sensor demands immense processing power and efficient heat control, both of which Hasselblad must address to ensure smooth, stable operation. To manage the massive data output from this sensor, Hasselblad is believed to be building a brand new image processing engine. Handling 150MP RAW files at professional speeds requires not just faster processors, but smarter architecture. The X3D150C is expected to include enhanced internal buffers, improved readout speeds, and CF Express card support to ensure fast transfers. Compression technology will also play a key role, helping maintain image fidelity while keeping file sizes manageable, a must for commercial photographers shooting hundreds of frames in a session. Together, these innovations are expected to give professionals a seamless workflow where power meets performance without compromise. When it comes to image quality, Hasselblad already stands at the top of the game, and the X3D150C could take that reputation even higher. The medium format sensor's signature look, silky tonal transitions, vast dynamic range, and unmatched color depth is expected to reach new levels of refinement. Hasselblad's celebrated color science, known for its subtle realism and lifelike hues, will likely continue to define the brand's identity. Whether it's the glowing tones of a sunrise landscape or the intricate textures of high-fashion fabrics, the X3D150C will aim to deliver images that feel rich, natural, and ready straight out of the camera, eliminating the need for heavy editing. Of course, pushing this much performance into a compact form factor introduces challenges. Heat management will be one of the biggest engineering hurdles. A high-resolution sensor generates significant thermal output, especially during extended shoots, and Hasselblad will need to innovate its internal design to maintain consistent performance. This could include advanced heat-dissipating materials, redesigned airflow systems, or more efficient internal layouts. Power efficiency will also be a focus. Professionals can't afford to stop mid-session to change batteries. The X3D150C may feature a larger battery or optimized power management to keep it running longer without compromise. On the design front, Hasselblad is expected to stay true to its roots. The X3D150C will likely continue the company's timeless design approach, minimalist, elegant, and unmistakably premium. Its magnesium alloy frame will provide durability without sacrificing refinement. However, given the improved cooling systems and new hardware, the camera may see a slight increase in size or weight. Ergonomics, however, will remain a top priority. Hasselblad's intuitive dials, clean menus, and balanced grip design are expected to make a return, refined even further for professional comfort and control during long sessions. One of the biggest talking points around the X3D150C is its autofocus system. Historically, medium-format cameras haven't been known for speed, but Hasselblad is reportedly working hard to change that. Faster focus acquisition, improved low-light performance, and intelligent subject detection like real-time face and eye tracking are all rumored to be part of the package. These advancements could make the camera far more versatile, opening it up to genres such as fashion, portrait, editorial, and even event photography. This would mark a significant step forward, positioning Hasselblad as a serious contender against high-resolution competitors like Fujifilm's GFX line. Video performance is another exciting frontier. While Hasselblad has traditionally focused on still photography, the modern creative world demands hybrid systems that excel in both. The X3D150C's massive sensor could deliver cinematic video with exceptional depth, color richness, and tonal gradation. If the camera supports features like 8K recording, professional codecs, and log profiles, it could attract filmmakers and content creators seeking a distinctive cinematic look. This would mark a bold expansion for Hasselblad, aligning its classic image quality with the multimedia needs of today's professionals. In the end, the Hasselblad X3D150C stands as a perfect fusion of innovation, tradition, and artistry. It embodies the brand's relentless pursuit of perfection while embracing the demands of the modern creative landscape. If Hasselblad manages to deliver high resolution with speed, efficiency, and dependability, the X3D150C could become the new gold standard for medium-format photography. Expected to launch in 2026, it's not just another camera, it's a statement of intent. With its blend of precision engineering, masterful color science, and modern performance, the X3D150C could very well redefine what professional photography means in the digital age.